everyone. We have just landed at Mactan Cebu International Airport. Cebu Pacific Air welcomes you to Lapu-Lapu. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the captain turns on the fasten seatbelt sign. Voice communication with the use of mobile phones is strictly prohibited. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins as heavy items may have moved during the flight. Para sa inyong kaligtasan, mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo habang nakailaw ang fasten seatbelt sign bago tumayo para kuhanin ang inyong makagamitan. Nais rin namin ipaalam na ang paggamit ng palikuran sa mga oras na ito ay mahigpit na ipinagbabawal. Maraming salamat po. And on behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team, headed by our flight deck crew, Captain Kids Cruz and First Officer Lou Navera, together with your cabin crew, we have Ariane, Shannon, Eds, Sen, and this is AD. We thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific. May we ask that you keep your area clean and tidy. Kindly clear your seat pockets of any remaining litters, and please bring this with you as you leave your seats. You may dispose this in the bins near the exit. We seek your cooperation in ensuring that no litter is left inside the aircraft. Para sa mga panauhing nais magtapon ng anumang bagay mula sa loob ng aeroplano, mangyari po lamang na dalhin ang mga ito sa inyong pagbaba. Maraming salamat po. And to our guests with infant, the infant's life vest shall be collected after disembarkation. For safety reasons, leave the infant's life vest inside the seat pocket and be reminded that unauthorized removal of the life vest from the aircraft is a serious offense. And to our passengers needing assistance, such as wheelchair, you are advised to deplane last. Para sa mga panauhing nangangailangan ng wheelchair, kayo po ang huling bababa. Maraming salamat po.
Dito pa si World Tour no kay Tugtong. Nasubsum sa tama nito.
Pero, bilang madura ka na.
Biglanilya. May sa oras pa.
Damay.
Tako eh. Takong arm. Padiksik biyo, ulan biyo.